Hello everyone. So in this video, we will look at a new feature which we have launched, that is the AI OCR tool. So for that, you can either go from here in the navigation menu, AI OCR. Otherwise, when this opens up, you can click on the OCR button here. So we'll look at two PDFs here or two images. So what is this OCR tool basically? It is to convert your scanned PDFs and images into editable Word documents. So you can then easily copy the extracted text or download it. So let us give it a try first. When we click on this upload button, let us upload one file and this shows this file is uploaded and let us start its conversion. So it takes a few seconds and this is the output. So we can see how beautiful it has maintained the formatting of the table, which a lot of the OCR tools or OCR features that are available or given by various websites, they usually miss the structure. So as you can see, this is not editable which we had uploaded. This is an image, and when we uploaded it, this is the extracted text which has come up. So you can either copy it from here, otherwise you can download it also. So second, we type a multilingual PDF. So to show that this OCR tool does not just converts only English document, but as in our notices and orders, Hindi text is also there a lot. So this will nicely convert Hindi text also, maintaining the formatting and the text. So in the top of it, we can again see that this is not editable. This is a scanned document on the left hand side, and this is Uttarakhand Sadharan, and this is now editable on the right hand side. So in just a few seconds, the document gets converted, and it is then easily editable. So this is also very useful when suppose if we had uploaded the same document, or when a document is very long, suppose 20 or 50 or 100 pages document is there, and when we upload on other websites or say the popular AI tools that is ChatGPT or Claude, then sometimes they miss the content in between, or they miss various pages, they add on their own text context. So that can be avoided when dedicated OCR tools are being used. So they do not add things on their own, or they do not subtract things on their own, depending on the quality also of the scanned document. So again, you can copy it and you can download it. And suppose I want to see the text which was extracted for my previous document. So I can go in the history, and these are the two I had uploaded. So I can open it. I can again view this, or I can open this and I can again view this. And similarly, I can delete also. So if I wish to delete, I can delete it. So this is how the OCR feature works. Do give it a try. And this is also very useful while going to the drafter tool. If you have a scanned document, then you can convert using OCR tool and then paste it or either upload it in the AI drafter tool. So this is for AI OCR tool. Thank you.